Hi everyone, wish you a very happy and prosperous New Year 2021 and a warm welcome to all of you, especially to my beautiful and lovely ladies out there. My name is Neha and this is my first ever beauty channel and I'm quite excited about it. This took me a while to come over this public platform to share my knowledge, my tips, my tricks with all of you. But now, finally, as I'm here, so we're gonna learn some basic techniques of makeup. And just remember, you all are beautiful. Trust me, you all are beautiful. Makeup just enhance that beauty and your facial features if done in right way. So for a start, I'm going to tell you how I achieved this light smoky eye look. So let's start. Prime your eyelid with a primer or a concealer. Here I'm using Rimmel London Lasting Radiance Concealer, shade 050 Nude. After that, just blend it with a beauty blender and then apply some loose powder just below your eye so that if by any chance some eyeshadow residue falls over your cheeks, it won't ruin your foundation base. And then use a flat brush to take a warm color like orange or light brown and apply on your eye crease. Crease is the folded area of skin just above your eyelid. And here I'm using shade Hustle from Maybelline the Matte Bar Palette 300. And then with the help of a fluffy round brush, just blend it to make a soft hue. And now I'm using shade Deep of the Black is the New Black palette from Makeup Obsession and blending it with my warm crease shades. Blending is the key for doing smoky look. Just blend the color till you achieved your desired smoky shades. And now I'm taking black from the same palette and applying on my eyelid till my crease. And don't go up further with black shade as this is like soft light look. Just keep it till your crease and blend further with your warm colors. And now I'm using shade Hard Edge from Maybelline the Matte Bar 300 palette. And just keep on blending your shadows with soft hand. Just blend from your outer corner to inner corner and from inner corner to outer. And this is another way of doing my blending. Just do back and forth over your crease if you find the first method difficult. Here you can see difference in blending. The other eye still got harsh black shadow. Just blend it well. Now you can apply your preferred eyeliner, and here I'm using Maybelline New York Lasting Drama Matte Waterproof shade Black. I'm just applying a thin line because I don't want thick liner in this light and soft look. Here I'm applying only one coat as I have to put my falsies, and this is Maybelline New York's the Falsies Lash Lift shade 01 Black. If you're not using false lashes, you should go till 3 coats of mascara to give your lashes a fuller look. And now brush out the loose powder under your eye with the fluffy brush. And now put the concealer under your eye in an inverted triangle shape and blend it with a beauty blender. I have applied my false lashes on my one eye, and here you can see the difference with and without eyelash. And here I have applied Maybelline Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Liner shade 01 Black. And as this is a smoky look, so we have to blend that black kohl liner as well. Take an angled brush and blend your kohl with dark brown shade. And here I'm using same dark brown shade, Hard Edge, which I've used earlier. As I'm doing this, you can see the difference in my left and right eye. And now I'm blending it with a fluffy brush. Just remove all harsh lines, and there you have it. And don't forget to put your highlighter on your brow bone. It will instantly give you a bright look. You can use cream or powder highlighter of your preferred choice. I'm using powdered highlighter. My final look is at the end of this video. If you don't have eye makeup brushes, just don't worry. I will be doing how to do eye makeup without brushes in future. Just stay tuned. If you like my video, then give it a thumbs up and please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for future notifications. Thanks for watching.